Well, what is up there, everybody, and welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is Speed Factory and Namsang Community Connection car meet. This is gonna be a really exciting one because Speed Factory, as a lot of you guys know, still holds the record for the fastest Honda Civic in the world. I think it's like 6.7 second quarter mile, which is just ridiculously fast. So today they are having an open house, so we are gonna go check that out today. So there's already a bunch of cars that's pulling up. Got some crazy looking cars up there, so let's go check that out real quick. God damn, I just realized I got a farmer's tan. I know, Speed Factory, Honda stuff, but man, this Datsun 510 is super clean. A little bit of rust, you know, a little bit of rust, but it's okay, it's okay. This is, yeah, this is supercharged and turbocharged, yeah. I've seen that before. Oh my goodness. Oh, so nice. Damn, Integi too. Nice. Josh. That's my name. That is definitely not his daily. What's up with you? What's up with you? Good to see you, bro. Oh, dude, long time no see. Long time no see, man. How you been, bro? Hey, pop the hood. Pop the hood. We're acting so stupid. Damn, so shiny. Are you just gonna walk away, huh? The flex is real, man. He ain't gonna even explain what's underneath of the hood. He's just gonna pop the hood, leave it open, and walk away. Damn. Oh, like, I heard that. I'm like, yeah, I gotta film that. Nice. Street boy. Yeah, all the Honda guys showing. This is kind of wild. It's like Del Sol with the EG front end. Yeah, no, it kind of does look good.
Actually, if they sold it like this,
it would have been perfect, I feel like. Yeah. Coming through, coming through. Yeah, I know, right? I really like the valve cover color. Just smashed it with the strut tire bar. That looks really good. Ooh, look at that intake. I like that. It's like a titanium skunk 2 intake. Nice, nice. We see this type bar a lot. This intake a lot. That's on Michael's intake right there. That's the owner. I think it's pretty sweet. So a lot of people don't know. If you look closely, when the sun hits the paint, it has purple in it. I don't know if you guys can tell through the camera, but yeah, it's got a purple flake, which is pretty cool. I really like that. And then this Prelude right here is supercharged and turboed, which is crazy. So you see the turbo up front here, and then supercharged back here. Pretty crazy setup. It's pretty rad though. So this is Kid's Finest EK Coupe. Look at that ITB, Drag Cartel ITB. Dude, these things are massive. ASP transmission, so if the clutch blows, you know, it doesn't go through, it just destroys everything. It's like a protection. It's like a clutch protection when that thing blows. It's pretty cool. Nice. I really love the valve cover on this. Nice custom paint. Got NSX, Porsche. So if you guys don't know, the owner of the Speed Factory loves Porsches, and obviously he tunes his own Porsches and everything. So I think it was the white one over there. That sounds nasty, if you guys ever heard of it. When it did a launch last time, it sounded very nasty. Alright guys, let's check out the Speed Factory EG Hash. Well, first of all, there's a massive turbo. What size is this? Apex Turbo? Dude, this thing is nasty. Holy crap. Wonder why they got a bunch of weld spots. Maybe it broke because too much boost and they were like just patched it, I'm assuming. I mean, I could see it though. That's a lot of boost. I mean, that's too much, I feel like. But for them, it's never too much. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. But if I am correct, I think this is their all-wheel drive setup. Dude, look how massive that front sticky. So sticky. Oh my goodness. Yeah, look at the rear. Got a full slick on it. It doesn't have a skinnies on. Of course, you need a parachute to stop. let's check the rear. Should be a rear diff unless if it's covered. Can't really see it because it sits low. But yeah, dude, this thing is nasty. And I think this is their new project, the EG Hatch that they're working on right now. So I think they're working on all the framing, just welding, cutting, and everything on the ground. Really nice welding. Look at that welding. That welding is so clean. It's just crazy, man. It's crazy. Like the suspension part, it's all like part of the chassis now. Imagine the ride quality, how crappy this is on the road. That's wild. Got a K20 on here. Nice. Passport motor mounts. It's pretty wild. Ooh, Speed Factory valve cover. It's like an original one. A little bit fade away on the paint, but nice. Reliable wrench, EG Hatch. The Speed Factory intercooler. Dude, this thing is massive. Pretty decent sized turbo. Obviously, it's not like big as that one over there. I should get a clutch cover like that. That's pretty smart to do. It's a pretty dope EG, Blocks Racing EG Hatch. Dude, all these guys are just running massive ass turbos. This thing's freaking wild, man. Obviously, it is tuned by Speed Factory. It's got a bow on top of the roof there. Pretty cool. Got a nice blue EM1. Pretty sick. Got that radium fuel tank. Nice, nice, nice.
I want to pause the video here real quick and shout out to my today's video sponsor, MoreSpec. Now, MoreSpec is made with very high quality material, very good looking sunglasses, but the best part is they start at $20 all the way up to $24. Some of these sunglasses company are charging over $100, which is just ridiculous. Me, myself, I'm a blue collar worker. I do hydrovac excavation for a living. So this right here is the high-tech, large, futuristic, rimless shield sunglasses with black and green mirror finish. So this is what I'm going to be wearing at work. This is such a good looking sunglasses, and it also has a side shield protection as well. So that's what I'm going to be wearing. And if you spend over $50 on their website, it is free shipping. So make sure you guys go check it out. And thank you so much, MoreSpec, for sponsoring today's video. Now guys, back to the video.
Just walking out here, this Eclipse is kind of cool. Carbon fiber trunk. Really like it. It's a clean setup. Ooh, that interior is really clean. Ooh, whole carbon fiber front end, bumper, hood, fender. That's wild. Oh, that guy's hopping. Nice Impala. And this is nice. Got a Jay's Racing exhaust. I really like the welding that's on. Man, this Integra Type R is super clean. Quick thing. Oh, there's someone in there. My bad. Dude, this is a clean Integra, man. Nice. Got a different Jay's Racing EK hatch. Type R, a bunch of Civics, obviously. I mean, a lot of Hondas here today. Got the No Good Racing on Fidel's car. Nice. I really like his setup. I think he just painted too. It's just all raw. Everything's gutted. Yeah. Nice, man. This guy tracks too. Pretty sick. Oh, Dino. Probably the cleanest RSX with 230,000 miles. Dude, you will not believe this thing has 230,000 miles, man. That thing is clean. Oh, Ferrari. That's tight. Man, that thing is low.
Oh, you right here?
Lot of Hondas out here today. Infinity. There's R6. Oh, that's a Type S too. Nice. Kind of love a Type S model out here today. He goes fast. Nice. Ooh, that's a clean Subi. WRX. Imprezi. Cadillac Blackwing. Dude, this thing is dope. And I really like this new M2 too. Ooh, is this like a factory wheel? The gold? I don't know. Leave me in the comments down below. What do you guys think? If this is a factory spec or not. It's nice. Squish cards on bags. Damn, all the way down. Dude, look at this thing. This is an ultimate sleeper. Case swap in there. Whew. This thing will take you to the Gapplebees. Next thing you know. Damn.
Just feel like I should eat something.
Oh, got it in the back. Yeah, that's pretty wild. A 4-door Integra Type R. Dude, these were only available in Japan. The 4-door Type R. Oh, that is tight. Sorry about the alarm going off back there. What'd you do, man? What'd you do? What'd you do? No, you're good. Let's check this Porsche out. So, it doesn't have an original engine in it. It's gonna throw everyone off. Well, I don't know it's gonna throw everyone off because it is Speed Factory at the end of the day. So, it does have an K-Series in there. And I'm pretty sure they did a custom work. They cut it and they extended it, just like the TBK over for the Midnight Club. Just like the Midnight Club car, the TBK Porsche. I'm pretty sure they cut it and they extended it. I'm not quite sure. So this big intercooler will fit. But man, this is a crazy layout, if you say so. Sticky tire. GT3 MR NSX Mugen NSX. Oh, we got Colin's car. It's RX-8. So got the on-grid sticker still on. Ooh, those Anke wheels are actually really nice. Damn, kind of like the Nardo Gray Anke wheels. Nice, looks good, man. Alright, today guys, I'm gonna bend over and get fucked by Diddy. I'm kidding. What the fuck?
Where they're gonna bend?
Oh shit, what's up, man? Good to see you, bro.
Bend over first.
I know, right? I have to, yeah. That's wild.
Hayden.
There's something going on over there.
Pacifico Standard Time here in the PNW.
Hey, it's
You have
5
to blur
o'clock
that out.
somewhere. Gotta say that, yeah.
Know what I'm saying?
No, I'm saying.
No, I'm thinking.
Put that at the end, that'll be